Good morning, guys. I'm gonna make this quick because I'm very excited. But just got a lead on a 380 SL, white on white with red guts. Car's been abandoned about 20 years, but was listed on Marketplace about 24 hours ago. Some friends of mine from Orange County sent it over, and the car happens to be just not too far from me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the 500 SEC, and let's go see if we can make a deal on it. Now for a quick cold start. In case you guys were wondering, this is my 95 S124 here. My 83 500 SEC with the AMG kit, 3-piece Aero 3 monoblocks. This is my S123 300 TD. Currently working on an overland build. But yeah, let's go check out this 380 SL. I think it's gonna be a good buy. All right, guys, we're pulling up to the house. Beautiful Camelback Mountain right there. I think it's one of these houses here on the left. All right, guys, here's the car. She needs a lot of love, but this white over white is quite beautiful. Got the 380 SL. Cash offer was accepted. I'm not sure what kind of kit this is, but we're gonna get it on the tow truck, get it home. See what we can do. All right, guys, 350 was accepted. All right, tow truck has arrived. Here we go. Here she is, guys. So it turns out to be 380 SL Zender kit. All right, guys, there she goes. And we just got a file folder full of documents. All right, guys, we made it happen. As you guys saw, I was just filming here this morning. And here we got the car here. So this is a 1985 380 SL with the full Zender kit. Pretty sure these are BBS wheels. Haven't pulled them off yet, but it's powered by the 3.8 liter M116. She needs some love, but she's got red guts, which is nice. We're gonna throw a battery in her real quick, get some spark plug wires, see if she can run up. But man, look at that rear end. All right, we got a battery hooked up. She is displaying lights. She's buzzing. She reads temperature. Okay. All right,